Hey everyone, welcome to my channel byAffilink.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to talk about something that's literally changing the way we create. Have you ever had a story or an idea that you wanted to turn into a video or an animation, but thought it would be too complicated or expensive? Well, that's all about to change. Meet Artflow, a groundbreaking platform that uses AI to help anyone, and I mean anyone, bring their ideas to life through animation. Artflow is building the world's first AI-powered video creator, which means you don't need to be an expert or have a huge budget to start creating your own animations. So, here's how it works. You come up with an idea, whether it's a story, a visual concept, or just a spark of inspiration, and Artflow's AI does the heavy lifting. You can create scenes, add characters, animate movements, and bring your story to life. It's like having a whole animation studio right at your fingertips. What I love about Artflow is that it's built as a positive, supportive space for exploration. It's a place where you can experiment with different ideas, get creative, and share what you make with others. And honestly, it's just fun to see your ideas come to life in a whole new way. If you've ever thought about making your own animated story or bringing your ideas to life visually, Artflow is where you need to be. Go ahead, try it out. You might surprise yourself with what you can create. I'll leave the link below so you can explore it yourself.